In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to easily find Facebook account created date. Go to your Facebook app, sign into your account, tap on menu, and here tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings, scroll down and tap on access your information. Continue. And here, search for personal information. Tap on it. And here you will get your account creation date. As you can see, that's how you will be able to easily find your Facebook account created date. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.